Let's explore how adopting Lab Information Management System, or LIMS practices can help pharmaceutical companies achieve regulatory compliance. Transforming Compliance PharmaMax's LIMS direct case study. Company background. A leading pharmaceutical firm recognized the need to enhance its laboratory information management to ensure stringent compliance with regulatory standards. The existing manual processes were prone to errors, inefficiencies, and compliance risks. Challenges: inconsistent data entry and management, difficulty in adhering to standard operating procedures across various lab processes, lack of comprehensive audit trails, inefficiencies in quality control checks, complexities in generating regulatory reports, concerns over data security and integrity. PharmaMax's LIMS Direct was implemented to address these challenges. The implementation process involved assessment and planning, conducted a thorough assessment of the existing lab processes and identified key areas for improvement, developed a detailed implementation plan tailored to the firm's specific needs. System configuration: configured LIMS direct to align with the firm's workflows and SOPs. Customized the system to ensure seamless integration with existing lab equipment and software. Data migration: migrated historical data into LIMS Direct, ensuring data integrity and continuity, verified and validated migrated data for accuracy. Training and support: provided comprehensive training for lab personnel on using LIMS Direct, established a support system to address any issues during the transition period. Go live and optimization: successfully transitioned to LIMS Direct with minimal disruption to lab operations, continuously optimize the system based on user feedback and evolving needs. Results: enhanced data accuracy, automated data collection and management, significantly reduced errors. Improved compliance, enforced SOPs and comprehensive audit trails ensured regulatory adherence. Increased efficiency, streamlined workflows and automated quality control checks, improved operational efficiency. Reliable reporting, simplified generation of regulatory reports ensured timely and accurate submissions. Robust data security, enhanced security measures, protected sensitive data and ensured compliance with data protection regulations. Conclusion: the implementation of PharmaMax's LIMS Direct transformed the firm's laboratory operations, ensuring compliance, enhancing efficiency, and providing a robust platform for future growth. This case study underscores the critical role of modern lab information management systems in achieving regulatory compliance and operational excellence. Discover deeper insights into Solutions Max and our commitment to tailored resources and support. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your comprehensive platform for streamlined management of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Achieve efficiency and peace of mind with our integrated ecosystem designed specifically for your requirements. Visit pharmamax.org for detailed information. Still unsure? Need additional assistance? Don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of in-house compliance and validation experts specializes in regulatory strategies for manufacturing review and submissions. Thank you for your attention. In pharmaceuticals, excellence is not just an act, but a habit. Stay informed and stay safe. Until next time. For more details, visit pharmamax.org or email us contact@solutionsmax.com for a prompt response.